Good morning, friends. So today we will be discussing about the history portion of our general studies. Now, history constitutes one of the major portions of general studies paper, both in your prelims examination as well as for the mains examination. And history, as we all know, is a vast subject. There is a lot of syllabus that needs to be covered, and the biggest and the most important point that we need to remember in the history part of the syllabus is that we have to understand the conceptual part. History is not about facts. History is, at least for this examination, history is not about dates and remembering facts or ancestries. History is about concepts. We have to understand the concepts from each specific area, from each specific period and each specific empire or kingdom, all through the ancient period to the medieval period and to the modern period. So history becomes a very dynamic part of the syllabus. If we go through the previous year questions from the prelims examination as well as the mains examination, we will see that history is the make or break subject. History is the make or break subject both in your prelims as well as the mains examination. आपका history का जो portion है वो बहुत important है दोनों examinations के लिए. And to score good marks in your mains examination, you need to write good answers. And in history, you won't be able to write good answers until and unless you understand the concepts, understand the requirement of the questions, and understand what is being asked in the specific question. So for the prelims part, again, there would be no direct question regarding the dates or specific facts, but a clear conceptual question. So for understanding history, what is the most important thing that we need to do? First, understanding the conceptual part, and second, going to the background, going to the basics of that concept. If we have to study the society in a specific period of, or if we have to study any major event in the history, we need to go to the root of it. We need to go to the background, to the basic of that topic. We need to understand from where this entire thing started, from where this event started, how this event started, what were the main reasons for that event, what were the main causes for that event, and how it culminated. These are the major things that we need to understand in each and every topic of this part of the syllabus. This makes history a vibrant and a dynamic subject.